In this video, we are going to be looking at using an empty number line to solve a two-digit addition number sentence using the compensation strategy. What does compensation mean? Well, compensation means using numbers that are more friendly to you. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's look at this number sentence. If we start off at 36 and we want to add 24, what we can say to ourselves is, I don't want to add 24, I want to add 30. And then what I can do is, to get back to 24, I can take away 6. So I start at 36, which is my first number, and I add 30. Okay? So what I've done is I've built my 24 up to 30, and I've added 30. So I've added 30 to 36. Now I'm at 66. Now, in order for the number sentence to be true, I need to get back to that 24. So I've taken 6 away and I've gotten back to 60. What I've done here is I've used the compensation strategy. Instead of saying 24 plus 36, I'm saying 36 plus 30, take away 6. So let me say that again. So instead of saying 24 plus 36, I've said to myself, I want to use 30 plus 36 and then take away 6 later on to make sure that I still have a number sentence that is true. So let's start again. We start at 36 and then we decide that we're going to add 30 because we don't want to add 24 because 24 doesn't work for us. So 36 plus 30 is 66. But to get back to 24, we need to take 6 away. So we take 6 away and we're back at 60. So 24 plus 36 equals 60. Let's look at another example. 45 plus 23. Well, I say to myself, I don't want to work with 23. I want to work with the number 30. So 45 plus 30 is 75. But then we've got to get back to 23. So it takes 7 away and I get to 68. 45 plus 23 is 68. What I've done is I've started at 45, I've added 30, and then I've taken 7 away so that I am maintaining 45 plus 23. I'm saying that my number sentence is true. So I start at 45 and I decide that I'm going to add 30 because I don't want to add 23 because I think 23 is a hard number to use. So I say to myself, 45 plus 30 is 75. And then I've decided that I need to go back to 23, so I've got to take 7 away. So 45 plus 23 is actually 68. Let's look at another example, 19 plus 45. I've decided I don't want to work with the number 19. So I'm going to work with the number 20 and I'm going to take 1 away later on. So 45 plus 20 is 65. And then I take 1 away because I need to make 19. So 45 plus 19 is 64. Let's look at another example. 49 plus 19 or 19 plus 49. I start at 49 and I say to myself, I don't want to work with 19. I want to work with the number 20. So I say 49 plus 20 is 69. And then I take 1 away because I need to still work with that 19. So 49 plus 19 is 68. Let's look at another example, 97 plus 78. I start at 78 and I say to myself, I don't want to work with 97, I want to work with 100. So 78 plus 100 is 178. And then I know I need to get back to 97, so I need to take 3 away. So 78 plus 100 is 178, and then take away 3 is 175. So I know that 78 or 97 plus 78 is 175. In summary, what you need to understand is that compensation is all about using numbers that are friendly to you. In this number sentence, I decided I didn't want to use 97. I want to use the number 100 and then take away 3 later on. So compensation is all about using numbers to your advantage. So instead of using the number 97, I decided to use the number 100. I decided to add 100 to 78 and then take the 3 away later on. So what I want you to do now is I want you to stop and I want you to go back to the start of this video again and re-watch all the examples and think to yourself, what am I doing? What is the compensation that is going on? Once again, in this example, instead of using the number 97, I decided to use the number 100 and take away 3 later on, because I know 100 take away 3 is 97, isn't it? So go back to the start and have a look through the examples again and think about what it is that I'm doing to solve these number sentences.